Unlocking the beauty of moonlit memories. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a truly poetic phrase that paints a picture with just 2 words: moonlit memories. This phrase evokes a sense of nostalgia and beauty, all under the soft glow of moonlight. Let's unfold its meaning and learn how to use it to enhance our communication. Moonlit memories combines 2 powerful words to create a vivid image. Moonlit refers to anything illuminated by the light of the moon, casting a gentle, silver glow over the night. Memories, on the other hand, are recollections of past experiences or moments. When put together, moonlit memories refers to nostalgic or cherished recollections that are as beautiful and serene as a night bathed in moonlight. Moonlight often symbolizes various themes in literature, such as romance, mystery, tranquility, and change. When we talk about moonlit memories, we're diving into a theme that's both romantic and serene, suggesting moments that are worth cherishing, often because they evoke feelings of peace, love, or a profound connection to nature. This phrase is perfect for storytelling or descriptive writing. Whether you're sharing a personal anecdote, writing a piece of fiction, or even composing a poem, moonlit memories can add depth and emotion to your narrative. It's a way to describe moments that left a significant impact, enveloping them in the beauty and mystique of moonlight. Reflecting on the past. Sitting on the porch, she was lost in her moonlit memories of summers spent by the lakeside. Descriptive writing. The garden, bathed in moonlight, brought back moonlit memories of our first kiss under the stars. In poetry, through whispers of the night, in serene moonlit memories, we find our hearts intertwined forevermore. Moonlit memories is more than just a phrase. It's a portal to moments dipped in the ethereal light of the moon, reminding us of the beauty and depth of our experiences. We hope this exploration has inspired you to look back on your own cherished memories and maybe even share them, wrapped in the poetic beauty of moonlit imagery. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, keep basking in the beauty of the English language.